Zawi told me to kill so the clip attack will blow. I
Our
stab a
next act
nigga in the
raps
chest.
fast. In fact, not just fast, he raps fasty. From Phoenix, it's Bullet Man.
Very fast. I could hear what he was saying. He has a proper understanding of the hip-hop genre. Let's see what he has for us tonight.
I don't know how he talks that fast, but I'm happy that he can do it again because it's really, really exciting when you watch it, and I don't know how he does it.
This one is for the hip-hop heads. Ladies and gents, Bullet Man!
I'm proudly from the city, DBN. I've been a veteran rapper, I'm better with the ink and pen. They be picking up 3D hands. I'm laughing at MC comedians. Everybody evacuate the building and let me loose. It's the return of the species, the best of the caliber. Flowing like water, come on to quench your thirst with a batter bar. The sentence I'm giving is never just to set up a paragraph. Man, you couldn't get a heat even if you strap up with a power glove. I'm coming up from the underground to dominate the surface. Won't tolerate no chances. These people are clowns who accommodate the suckers. They be calling me killer because they know I'm finna come holy cage with a purpose. To be taking them shots to the novice. Respect my conglomerates and status. It's the return of the entity. Jesus Christ on the third day. Scriptures are redefined by the illest scraps of the word plays. Features for the deepest mind. Where to read the lines it could hurt brains. A creature by the wicked after the feast on kinds of the earth's rays. I'll kill him in a minute to the rhythm and the syllable. I really got him in the minute whenever I'm stepping up. I raise the bar like a kid of mine since a birthday. I put him in the body bag. I figured it'd be easy when I come up with a battle. Gotta get him in a weapon up. I graze the sky and the bleeding slime. It's a dead blade. Rappers will tell you how to thug with a gauge. But these are artists only good for drawing guns on a page. But when I pull out it's not that so I could calm on the face. Think asthma, the pump sprays to hit your lungs from the case. Cocked and engaged, gotta get popped at a wage. You be dropped to the gauge. Cops from the aid that get shot and an aim to be tossed in the grave. Boss to the wage, make it crossed in a way that results in a rage. Metaphors are heated with a bit of a killer on the rap, they'll be dropped on the page. You best barbarian, bringing bars back, being berserk ratch because vocals bomb slap. Boom back, benefits, beings beyond breath. Better be back, barbarians, big and bog back. Basically, basic beginners begin brag posting. Bash broken, battling beasts began rolling. Beef benefits, bond battlers, brand broadly. Break brilliant brains, bombard and bang bodies. So now that I'm back up again, never the time to play, but never the gun who plays. The killer with rage and miss the bomb this way. Many the cafes are never the step up. I hit them in the middle of the boss, motherfucker with the rhythm of the killer. Cause careful with the ill, when they get up and I'm really gotta be the winner, when they gotta go blast them. I smash them with a proper weapon, but the best one in order rapping. Get a vest them and slaughter happens. Get a rapper's a problem often. Gotta pick it up when they careful when they battle me. With a pistol, with a bust up an enemy. Started with a fist, got a punch up with a body. Started with a king with a rappers and I gotta get. But the killer when they get up on a mission, I'm with a heater, get a figure to the killer in the battle. Gotta be with a get so I careful on the boss and a piece on the cat. Made it more when I gotta attack, but it evolved from figure raps. Gotta evolve to something that's bigger than most of the rappers getting the flats. I'm done.
You are a supersonic machine gun.